My name is Jimenez. I'm graduating from Delano High School. I will be attending Cal Poly SLO in the fall to study in civil engineering. After that, I plan on getting some experience in the field, hopefully becoming to either this community or a community like it. I hope to give back, working on the infrastructure, something like that, because growing up, I really got inspired by the things that grew around me. Within the agricultural community, there is a plethora of inspirations, especially to me. My family grew up in agriculture. I had the experience of being in that field for a short while just to see how it is, and I can tell you from first-hand experience, it is a giant deal of hard work. I mean, it requires a lot of willpower to go through it every single day, and to understand that that's what my parents do for me is, I mean, really breathtaking. Agriculture, especially in this community, Delano, the capital of grapes as we like to call the city, it thrives on that kind of field. Well, scholarship opportunities like these are extremely important, especially in a community like this where there isn't much opportunity for somebody to get a higher education. So to be awarded this scholarship will for sure push me in a good direction. Once I heard the words "you got it," I was extremely ecstatic. It was amazing. As soon as I went home, I told my parents. My parents were jumping up and down. That's the first time I saw my father jump, I'll be honest with you. But I was extraordinarily happy.